Hello everybody, Shelly here. Today we're going through my FabFitFun. This is the summer FabFitFun. I was just excited that it was coming in, so we're gonna see what's in here. I haven't opened it up yet, don't really know. This is, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription service that is lifestyle, some beauty, in my experience, mostly lifestyle. You get a little magazine. It kind of talks to you about what's in here. It's got some articles and some other stuff. Again, it's supposed to be lifestyle. They always send you a little bit of propaganda along with it. But let's see what is in our summer 2020 FabFitFun box. Okay, so the first thing in here that I see is this. It says Yumi Kim wireless charging pad. So let's see what this looks like here. I like wireless charging pads. I like that they're more universal now. Like there's more phones out there that you can just throw on the pad and then you don't have to worry about the little connector breaking off inside. I've broken a lot of phones like that. This is actually really pretty. This is like a floral, got a cord, and it's kind of pretty. This would look okay on a like bathroom counter to put your phone on to charge it. Except for the piece that I broke. I don't know how much it is though. Let me find out here. So the MSRP on the Yumi Kim wireless charging pad, $35. And this box, I think if you were just to buy it each quarter is $49.95 maybe per quarter. And they're saying that this month, or this quarter, the total value of the box is between $225.50 and $477 depending on what you get. So. Next thing on here is the Terre Mer Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. So Terre Mer, which I think is, what, earth? Terra Mer? Is that water? I don't know. Okay, let's look and see what this looks like here. Nice packaging. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. It's actually really pretty. What does it smell like? Okay. It doesn't really have much of a scent that I can detect just by... Gosh, Allie, one of my huskies just came in. I'm gonna put a little of this on the back of my hand. Doesn't really have like a strong scent one way or the other. Let's see how much the Terre Mer Aloe and Tea Tree Toner, price on that. MSRP on this is $54 for this toner. I don't know what makes it so miraculous. Reveal your best skin yet at the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and sloughs away dead skin cells. So kind of a, you know, exfoliator when you use a pad. I like those reusable face rounds that you can get. It's kind of a little, almost like a, kind of like a little rough or maybe a jersey on one side and then more slick on one side. And when you're done with it, I just kind of throw it in a hamper, and then when I get through all of them, I throw it in the wash. Like a little laundry bag. Actually, anyway, I reuse them. Then I'm not like throwing away wipes all the time because I feel bad about throwing stuff like that away. Hope you guys do too. Okay, so this is the next item is a Spongel hand cream, La Creme Main, coconut verbena. Verbena? All right. I love the Spongel body sponges. You guys have seen me wax poetic on those things. Okay, let's try this little hand cream. I love hand cream, especially when you're washing your hands a bunch these days. Okay, it absorbs pretty well. It doesn't seem to be, no, it's not absorbing pretty well. It goes on very smooth. The scent is very green, and that must be the verbena. I don't really smell a ton of coconut in there. And after a little bit, it does soak into the skin pretty well. I will absolutely use this. And the price on that looks like it's $18. So this, and it looks like it has shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. And it's a, you know, pretty good size hand cream. I don't know how big a purse you're carrying these days, carrying extra masks and things like that, but not bad to have it in there. Boy, wouldn't a mask be good? That'd be nice to have them thrown in there. Oh, I don't know how to say that. Tarraco? You're gonna have to tell me how to pronounce that. This is a foot cream. Sicilian blood oranges. And the MSRP on this, much bigger in the picture, $24 for this blood orange combination of menthol and olive oil. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, Sicilian blood orange. I'm rubbing it in the back of my hand right now. I know it's for feet, but I'll put it on my hands too. Okay, You definitely smell the citrus, but it's not like an orange or a lemon citrus. It definitely has that almost like a, it's slightly off, like the blood orange. I'm sure it's the blood orange scent. Okay. Next item. This looks like a pair of sunglasses, huh? This is, oh, Tom's. Okay, so they're a big sunglass. I don't know if this is a style right now or not. I don't really feel like a movie star so much as I feel like Marge with the big ginormous glasses. I'm not really a big glasses kind of person. MSRP on this is $58 for these glasses, so somebody must like them. Not really my style. I mean, I don't mind like a Wayfair type style, but these are just too big, and maybe they're just too big for my comfort zone. But they're plastic. I don't know. Oversized, slightly cat eye frames make for a classic shape to add to your collection. So if you have a collection of sunglasses, congratulations, you've got another one to add to your collection. It's one of the few things I don't collect, actually, is sunglasses. Next thing I'm reaching in here and getting, this is a Winky Lux. You know, I saw that Target had Winky Lux products too. Universal brow pencil. I need a new brow pencil, so this is exciting. I was gonna buy, actually I bought one off of Sephora, and it was a Milk Makeup brow pencil-y type thing. And it says triple brow pen, and I thought it was gonna be one of those that had like the firmer brushes so that you could brush on like individual eye strokes. And what this is like a felt tip marker that's split into threes. And I got the color Dutch because I thought that would be a good color. And it's far too ashy and light colored. So I gotta figure out how to return something to Sephora in the time of coronavirus. Okay, so let's look at this. Oh my gosh, it's pretty dark. It's a soft, you know, crayon. It's not horrible. I think maybe it needs to warm up a little bit. I don't have any Winky Lux products, I don't think. Maybe I've tried a sample, or maybe I've gotten something before, but nothing that really stands out to me. I've never actually gone out and purchased anything Winky Lux. Again, I thought I saw some Winky Lux stuff at Target. So this MSRP on this Universal Unibrow, nobody wants a unibrow, Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil, 16 bucks. Loves Exo Sienna. This is a vase. I saw that everybody was getting one of these, and it's cute. I think this really, you have to have a specific decor. I don't have a room in my house that has pink in it, so I gotta figure out how I can use this for something that would go with any room in my house. I just don't have anything pink. I don't really have a girly house. My room or my house tends to be a little bit more masculine. Isaac Mizrahi. Let's find out how much does that vase cost. 28 bucks. Add a splash of color to your space. I don't know that like off-white and pale pink is a splash of color. It's not bold. Now that's a splash of color. This tote bag, I think is what this is. I think it's like a picnic type basket tote bag. Yeah, okay, so this is a Business and Pleasure Company cooler bag. $59 for this. I actually like yellow. This will be good for the RV. You know, we've got to get our RV de-winterized. But this will be good for throwing snacks in when you're getting ready to head out. Yeah, it's not like a super huge bag, but it's your typical like cooler inside. You know, it's got a pretty good amount of room that way. This is plenty big enough for snacks or a little picnic. Cooler. Wouldn't it be nice if we could just go to, I mean, I don't know about where you guys are, but I would absolutely take this to the park for the picnic lunch. Maybe I'll try to do that this weekend. Wouldn't that be fun? Take the drone up and take a little picnic lunch, some sandwiches. Oh my gosh. I'm ready for a picnic. I'm ready for normal. Are you guys ready for normal? Okay. What did I say the MSRP on this was? This bag, $59. So, okay. Let me move this out of the way. Let me count it up. Do the math. Where's my phone? My total, $292 for everything that I got in there. Now, there's a lot of other items in here. Like if I look at what was included, the straw bag, that straw bag is actually pretty cute, but I feel like I've got straw bags. There's a Pottery Barn diffuser. I love diffusers, so I probably would have really liked that. There's the Do Not Age Dr. Brandt Triple Peptid Eye Cream. I would have liked the eye cream because I like eye creams. I'm kind of an eye cream junkie. There's a tie-dye towel. I would not have liked. There's an eyelash conditioner, which is okay. There's a passport wallet. I have a lot of, this one's a Michael Kors one though, so I mean, it's not bad. There's an Isaac Mizrahi blue and white kimono. That would have been kind of cute. It's a little toss on with a tank top and some yoga pants. I'd have been all over that. There's the Kula Mineral Face Organic Matte Finish Sunscreen Lotion. I actually like the Kula products. And then they have another Mineral Face Matte Finish Cucumber Sunscreen. So 2 different Kula products. I actually like theirs. There is an R & Co. Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. I didn't really care for that. I've used that in the past. Giving Keys Mini Key Necklace. Hydropeptide Moisture Reset Face Oil. I would have liked that. So I would have liked the eye cream. I would have liked the diffuser. I would have liked the face oil, the kimono, the sunscreens. Here's a Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. I think I've tried that before and it's okay. Silked satin pillow sleeve. I've got satin pillowcases. There's a black peel off mask. I think I've tried a sample of this before. I know I have like the black powdered tooth polish stuff. I don't know. Toner's not bad. Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer Cream. I would have liked that. There's a Zoe Ayla Ice Roller. It says it's for reduce puffy eyes and rejuvenate red or tired skin. I don't know. Take it or leave it. I feel like everybody has jade rollers right now. Lifestyle Company Beach Mist. Recent refresh your skin by spritzing the soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. Can't do lavender, so I'm glad I didn't get that. There's an Amika blowout spray. I've tried that before. It's okay. Murad Essential C Cleanser. I probably would have used that. Grace and Sella Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. I would have used that. Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent. That's fascinating. Perfume's another one, but I guess if it's sort of like self-creating, I don't know. Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator. It looks like a fancy beauty blender. Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I've had those Wander Beauty masks in the past and they're okay. I think they're overpriced for what you get. I mean, it's $25, but I think you get 6 of them, or I don't know if it's 6 pairs or 6 individual ones. Anyway, the magazine is kind of cool. It's got articles. It's very women centric, and you know, they have some fashion stuff in here. You know what, here's the thing. If you guys are not really into the makeup subscription boxes, then this might be a good thing to do. I think you can prepay for the year and it's like $174 or $179. You save a little bit of money if you pre-purchase for the year. So I was talking to my husband about this. Oh, that looks good. I want a picnic like that. Yeah, that's super cute. I would absolutely do wine and cheese and crackers and... Oh, okay. So I was talking to my husband the other day about subscription boxes, and we were talking about, we've done Birchbox before. We do BarkBox for the dogs. Birchbox and Sephora Play and some of those, they're samples, and even if they're deluxe samples, it's nice to try some things, but you can't really tell about something until you really get into it. And that's one of the things I like about the BoxyCharm is you get full-size products. Some of them are things that I probably would have never purchased, would never try, didn't know anything about the brand. Some of them are ones that it's like, by themselves, I probably wouldn't do it, but you get such a good value for it that even if there's one thing out of 5 that you're not crazy about and probably wouldn't use, is it still a good value? Because if you would have bought the things individually, it would have cost $150 or whatever the case is. And I was talking to one of you guys recently about the add-ons and the Boxy pop-ups, and that's kind of a great way to buy the products that you like, the brands that you like. I don't know that you can do one without the other. Maybe if you're on, you know, and with BoxyCharm, there's 3 different levels. I get all 3. I pay for all 3. This FabFitFun, you know, here's the thing. I was talking to my husband about it the other day, and while it's fun to get a box every quarter, I have so much crap in my house right now. I have a lot of stuff. And maybe that comes from growing up without a lot of money, but I don't need any more stuff. I feel like I have enough stuff. So out of all of this stuff, what would I actually use? Like the vase, probably not for me. The sunglasses, probably not for me. Honestly, this charger, while it's cute, I have other chargers, so it's not really for me. What does that leave me with? Picnic basket. I like this. This is cute. The toner. Again, I'm more a fan of the skincare, I think. I've got the toner, I've got the hand cream, I've got the foot cream, and I've got an eyebrow pencil, which I was kind of looking for a new eyebrow pencil anyway, so I'll give this a try and see if I like it. Those are the things that I actually am kind of excited about. So here's my thought. if you have enough stuff, but you know somebody that is maybe young and starting out and doesn't have a lot of stuff, this would be great for them. If they're on a budget, this would make a great gift. This is something that, like, I'm not gonna purchase it for myself again, but I might subscribe for my daughter. I mean, then she can get a box of goodies every quarter, and it might be kind of fun for her. It's like, they're like a care basket, a care package. I think that's kind of fun. That's probably what I would do, is if you're a lady of a certain age who has a lot of stuff, I don't know that you need FabFitFun. I know a lot of you guys have canceled it already. I think I have turned off the auto renewal, so this might be my last box. I can't remember if I'll get a fall one or not, but I think I'm down to my last one or two of these. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me how you feel about the subscription services. Which ones do you guys like? I know that there's Ipsy, and there's just so many different ones out there. I don't know. I might have a referral code down below if you're fascinated and interested in that. What do you guys do with stuff that you don't like, then you get in the subscription? Do you keep it? Do you use it because, hey, now it's yours? It's not like a gift you got from somebody that's not really your style, and then you're like, hey, I've got to put it on the shelf because it was a gift and I can't really get rid of it because it was a gift. I mean, are you like that, or are you like, oh, I hate that, I'm getting rid of it right away? I don't know about you guys, but where we are, you can't donate anything. So I've got a garage full of stuff that I've put into this section so that when we can go and donate it at certain places, we can load it up in the back of the truck and take it down there. Right now, it's just taking up room. I hope you guys are doing well. I would love to know if you guys still get FabFitFun. If there's things in here that you're like, oh man, I wish I would have stayed on FabFitFun. I'm not really feeling like the people that put the boxes together have a beat on me personally, so I'd like to know what you guys think about it. Do you guys get FabFitFun boxes? I think these tend to be my least viewed videos, so I'll be curious to see if anybody has any comments on them. I hope things are relaxing and you guys are getting out and about and that you're not terrified. I think that there's some people that haven't left their house and like going on 60 days and they haven't left their house, and I feel bad for them because when I go out in public, things are relatively normal. Like, you go places and people wear masks and people stand further apart. That doesn't hurt my feelings at all. My husband commented the other day that as restaurants start to open, he's like, oh, I heard this one restaurant's gonna open. I'm like, you hate that restaurant. And he's like, but it's a restaurant, it's open, we can eat out. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what are we coming to if that's the case? Anyway, you guys, okay, sorry, I'm filming in my office because I thought the lighting would be better than my living room, which tends to be all on the dark side. FabFitFun, summer 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you're interested in a lady of a certain age, talk about skincare, hair care, makeup, love playing with makeup, somebody who's not a makeup artist, somebody who's not paid to do these, boy, hit the subscribe button, then click the little link so you get notified. I tend to upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern time. If it interests you, I would love to see you again. I'd love to get a comment, so please let me know. Did you watch this? Did you like any of this stuff? Anyway, I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.